Yes, guys, welcome back to the Career Routes UAE channel. Have you been paying someone money to help you apply for a police clearance certificate? By the time you watch this video, that will stop because in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a police clearance certificate using the Ministry of Interior's website in just a matter of minutes. You can also use the application. But before we go into the video, let's check out the fees and validity of the certificate by Emirates. Now, if you're in Dubai, the police clearance certificate will cost you 220 dirhams and you will apply for it through the Dubai police. If you are in Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, and all the other Emirates, the certificate will cost you 50 dirhams and it will be valid for only 30 days. And now, if you're outside the UAE, the police clearance certificate will cost you 100 dirhams and it will be valid for 30 days. Now, if you're new on the channel, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything new. Let's jump into the video. Yes, guys, so as usual, you will start with opening your browser on your laptop or on your phone. And then we shall type in Ministry of Interior. Press enter. And this right here is the official website for the ministry. Okay, then we search our service, and our service is criminal clearance. There you go. So we have two results. We have the authentication of criminal clearance certificate for use abroad and the issuance of criminal clearance certificate. So we shall choose option 2. Now, after choosing option 2, we will go to start service right here. Start service right here. After starting service, they will ask you to log in using your UAE Pass. So you be sure to have the UAE Pass application on your phone, logged in with your Emirates ID and your UAE phone number. That's where they will send the code for you to verify. So I'll sign in. This here is my phone number. I'll press login and they'll send me a code. So I'll go to my UAE Pass. I'll go to my UAE Pass and type in the code that they have sent. $33. Everything is done, so we shall proceed. Yes, we shall proceed. Be sure to have the UAE Pass application on your phone. After this, we are 30%. We've completed 30%. So input your number here. Mine is already here. Your mobile number. And then purpose of use. Are you using it inside or outside? So I'm inside. If you're out, choose outside. Then reason. Select the reason. I hope you guys can see. I'll try to zoom in. Yeah, select the reason. The reason is for work. If it's for marriage, choose for marriage. If it's for study, choose for study. If it's for citizenship, choose that. Mine, for work. And then the organization, just put the organization asking you to produce the clearance. And then the delivery method, it's only by email. So after that, input your correct email address. Mine is already here. Correct email address, because that's where they will send the digital copy. And then choose the Emirates. I'll choose Abu Dhabi and then say next. Okay, we've completed 60%. Now the next part is payment. So you just have to accept the terms and conditions. And they have told you here that I will pay 50 dirhams. 50 dirhams. So you press next. You are going to be redirected to the payment gateway. Would you like to continue? Yes, I would like to continue. Give it some time as it loads. Right. So here you have to insert your details, the email address, there you go, the card holder name, and then your card number, usually the 16-digit number on your ATM card. The month, and yeah, when your card will expire. Then the CVV number, the 3-digit number on your card. So now you proceed and choose an option on how you will pay. Right. You proceed and choose an option of how you will pay. It will be a bank transfer. A bank transfer. So you have to select the bank now. You select your bank. I've selected my bank. And then you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Then go to payment page. So after going to payment page, you come and submit. I hope you can see the submit button. You come and submit, and after submitting, they will deduct the fees from your account, and within 12 to 24 hours, they will send you the police clearance form on your phone through email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone that is struggling to apply for a police clearance certificate, and again, please subscribe to the channel and share your opinions in the comment sections. See you in the next one.